The first is, I want to say that something is a necessity or necessary. How to say it in a better way? I would say it is obligatory, it is mandatory, it is imperative, it is a prerequisite. It's something that is called for, it is indispensable, it is vital. The second sentence is, the interest keeps on increasing in the bank account. How to say it in an advanced way? The interest is getting accrued in the bank account. Other ways of saying the same sentence would be the interest is getting accumulated, it is building up, it is mounting up, it is augmenting. The interest is shooting up, escalating, it is spiraling, it is mushrooming, it is getting multiplied. The third sentence is, I want to say that a person is so friendly in a better way. He is so genial. He is so affable person. He is an amiable person. He is a well-disposed and easygoing person. He is so neighborly. He is convivial. He is so comradely. He is gregarious. Thank you.